Divide 762 by 6 in a long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. 6 times 2 is 12. On subtracting, we get 4. So again we put down these 2 and it is 42. 6 times 7 is 42. On subtracting, we get 0. So 762 divided by 6 is 127. So this much for today and thanks for watching.